2026, Google quietly released an AI feature that most people still misunderstand. While the internet is using Gemini to generate interesting images, a small group of creators are using Nano Banana to build real businesses, not side hustles. Today, I'll show you how this tool fits into a 3-level income system that can realistically scale to $10,000 a month. Oh, without coding, without a team, and without chasing trends, this isn't theory, it's a blueprint. Building an AI empire in 2026 is about leverage. Nano Banana is the engine that handles the heavy lifting. If you're ready to stop chasing and start building, this is exactly where you begin. Let's dive in. Welcome to Medical Innovations. In 2026, Gemini is no longer just a chat model. It's a multimodal system, and Nano Banana is its image reasoning and editing engine. Important clarification before we go further. Nano Banana Standard runs on Gemini 3 Flash, optimized for speed and volume. Nano Banana Pro runs on Gemini 3 Pro, optimized for reasoning, realism, and high-end output. We'll use strategically. Welcome back. Today we're diving into a powerful growth strategy that many top creators use to scale. This strategy follows what we call a value staircase, designed to take you from initial validation to long-term sustainability. Level 1 is quick cash. This is all about fast validation, getting your proof of concept and immediate cash flow. Next is Level 2, smart money. Here we focus on scalable accuracy, refining your systems for consistent growth. Finally, Level 3, Empire Builder. This is where you invest in premium infrastructure to solidify your market position. Each level builds the skills and assets you need for the next. Ready to build? Level 1 targets speed. The children's book market remains a $30+ billion industry, but AI creators fail here for one reason: character inconsistency. In 2026, Nano Banana solves this using thought signatures. A thought signature is a persistent identity layer. You generate it once, then pass it into every future prompt. This locks facial structure, clothing, proportions, everything. The workflow is simple. Outline your story, generate your character, save the signature, and reuse it across all pages. You can sell these on Amazon KDP or Etsy. Use a prompt like apply thought signature ID, explore red hat 01, style whimsical cartoon, maintain identical character structure. Reality check. This is where most people cut corners and lose trust. Consistency is the key to building a real brand in this space. Level 2 is about credibility. In education, accuracy matters more than aesthetics. Gemini's search grounding plus double check verifies every label against real-time data to ensure total accuracy. Take this monarch butterfly infographic for 5th graders. It uses search grounding to verify all 4 stages with factual precision. This approach scales perfectly for teachers, homeschool networks, and online course creators looking for reliable content. Remember, you're not just selling art, you're selling trust. Welcome to Level 3, Empire Builder. This is where we scale up from simple designs to luxury murals with Nano Banana Pro. This is where we switch tools. Nano Banana Pro uses reasoning-guided synthesis for unmatched realism. That means physics-accurate lighting, texture realism, and fork-peat print fidelity ready for any high-end project. This is perfect for interior designers, luxury hotels, and boutique studios looking to dominate the luxury real estate markets. Let's look at a prompt example. We're creating a seamless luxury wallpaper pattern in a 19th century gold leaf chinoiserie style. The output? 4K silk texture realism that transforms any space into a masterpiece. For an advanced edge, use Gemini's video generation to preview these designs in real rooms before they're even printed. This alone increases conversions dramatically. Build your empire with Nano Banana Pro today. Most people think AI is just a toy, but for marketers, it's the ultimate leverage. If you want to scale, you need a plan. It's not about working harder, it's about building systems that do the heavy lifting for you. Success in this space follows a specific timeline. Let's break down the realistic path to building an AI-driven empire. In months 1 and 2, focus on books. This is where you build your cash flow and essential skills. Month 3 and 4 are for infographics. This is the stage where you start building robust systems. By month 5 and beyond, you're moving into luxury assets and infrastructure. This is where true scale happens. Here's the realistic path. Month 1 to 2, books for cash flow and skill. Month 3 to 4, infographics for systems. Month 5 plus, luxury assets for infrastructure. This is how AI becomes leverage. It's time to stop dreaming and start building. Are you ready? Nano Banana is accessible, but mastery is rare. Build on your own site. I use Hostinger, 84% off plus 10% with code METACORE. Optimize visibility with Vidic, link below. Comment below which level are you starting with. Subscribe to METACORE Innovations. We don't chase trends, we build systems.